awkward, है ना?
Not at all.
Not at all. Why not at all? Not at all. Doing this is not at all.
Hello guys.
Welcome to Chiro Zone. We decided it would be a great idea to celebrate our birthday together.
So come have fun with us. Oh my god, it's moving here. It might climb my legs. So after fighting the monkeys and comparing auto prices, we finally booked Uber.
रिक्शा के धक्के खाते खाते and Chinu feeding me peri peri chips which are really goated. This is how I was filming.
And yeah, that's how we reached our destination safely.
Yeah, very safely. Bukito. Yeah, you do. I do, but very few.
Tell
my
them
God.
your type.
No.
So हम वहाँ गए, but got so awkward we had to come out jaldi. Who stands on your fucking face?
The lady.
At least just keep some distance and stop staring us, bhai. That is so bad. I love the texture of it.
कितने का है?
That's why. That's why. That's why.
That's why. Then घंटों भर चल के and finding clothes to try on, we finally decided to go into a changing room.
Guys, did you know कि हम एक साथ एक ही changing room में जा सकते हैं? And yeah, we did it.
Tried out clothes, got happy, clicked multiple pictures.
That is so wrong. That is wrong.
And here I'm trying clothes and she's sitting on the floor.
I'm very tired, guys.
She looks so cute. Even though Zudio provides a place for you to sit in the changing room, this Mohattarma decided that it would be a great idea to lay on the floor. Whatever that is. We need more clothes.
Cheaper. Well, literally, this is from kids section.
This thing is from kids section.
Fucking money. This is for 49. I'm in love with it.
After spending literal 3 hours of our life in Zudio,
Still not satisfied?
we finally got our bill done. We left Zudio, yeah, with that bag, that Haji wala bag.
I need that.
Timing. And after doing a faltu ka transition, we decided it's time to go eat something, and it was momos. Yay! Let's go.
Firstly, epic momos.
And I guess reactions are enough to tell कि हमें कितना पसंद आया.
We loved it too much and I'm missing it every day. You guys should definitely try it.
And silently, talking in a sign language, we left for the next location.
Walking is good for health, guys.
With the momos, bhai. You're in love with the momos. Momos? Or with me? He's in love with me. We did a lot of bug and I forgot to film it.
Yeah.
Suffer. I'm suffering.
She's suffering.
Because I'll have to edit it and then I'll remember ki yeah, I forgot to film ye wala part. That was a nice.
She does all the job. I just be in the video.
She just serves her face and me on the table.
Basically, it is raining, or is it? It's according to vegetation.
Well, we couldn't take our eyes off of these pastries, but we had to decide what to order. I don't know. Let's have that thing. That thing. Then this pretty lady asked my friends to write a few words for me जो ये मेरे लिए पढ़ रही है, and love you all so much for writing such beautiful words, and thanks to Chinu for reading it out for me, and yeah, love you all. Love you all.
Okay.
So gifts देखते देखते हमारा खाना आ गया, which we kept aside for now and regretted it later.
So when am I supposed to open this? Thank you.
आगे देखियो.
What's with the?
टिकली ऐसी दी है मैंने.
Yeah.
I just saw it and I was like, hey, I remember Chinu.
Yeah.
और इस पे मेरा नाम था. You still have 2 more gifts. Yeah.
2 more.
3 more.
Okay, I'm in love with this.
Yeah.
Thank you. I think it's another, but which is a
Dab it.
You won't believe I was going to buy this yesterday and I did not. I was going to buy this yesterday.
Oh my god. Yeah, one more thing. Wait. वो paper पे try करना. That's why I gave the paper की जगह. Wait, dab.
Okay. You got 2.
Yeah, one was green. उस पे butterfly था इसलिए लिया मैंने. And this is something. Yeah, you can use it, but wait. I have something more. This is something that I made. Earrings है. It's earrings.
It's just so cute.
उसमें मेरा brand का नाम.
I saw that. I saw that.
So this is the food is waiting for us to open the gifts. You gonna wear it, Abhi? Looks pretty. Looks pretty.
I'm so thank you so much.
You can try this and this after we eat HRS. I'll open your gift.
Okay, oh my god. Go for it. मागे हो जरा. No, don't look inside. Do not look inside. Just pick things up.
I saw the star.
Do not. Yeah, okay.
Something.
I'll read it for you.
Nyanya menyanya ju nyanya tono nyara bide nyaku nyaku nyanya ku nyanya han nyanya jai nyanya ku nyara bete nyaga nyaga me.
And this pretty lady made such a beautiful scrapbook for me. I'm very happy that I got to see this. It contains photos of me and her, and I love her very much. And thank you for such a pretty gift. I love the gift very much, and I love you with everything that I have. And I'm not going to show the whole scrapbook in this video because it will be too much. So let's skip to the next part.
There is something else. Just look in here. Just don't peek. You're not allowed to peek in it. You're making it peek. Okay, can I say something?
I'll cut it out.
उसने ChatGPT किया है.
I will read that पहले.
Because there was the lines which I like did not do it here. You're understanding? ChatGPT gives the line.
So basically, she asked my friends to write few words for me, and one of them apparently used ChatGPT to write those words. Yeah, very not so proud of them.
Like 1 minute. तुझे eyebrows वरती काही दिसत नाही. It works.
Yeah, माझा forehead नाही दिसला तरी चालतंय. Because it's
Read.
airport, according to my brother.
It is not. Guys, is it forehead big? No.
Love to the people who wrote genuine letters for me. Love you so much.
Any love it or have is called
So listen. Peek inside.
and there is
What do you see?
a world full of stars.
And see properly.
There
Observe.
are 2 different stars.
That's us against the world.
So the sun. Also marble भी डाल दिया उसने.
Yeah.
The marble. Well, the marble are the people that wrote these things.
Yeah. True. Her camera surely doesn't like me much, but koi na. Paneer pocket was filled with onions. I hate the onions.
Well, you can clearly tell who is the picky eater and who isn't. Guys, you all should definitely try Yaha pizza. At that time, it wasn't available,
Our luck is not that good.
but you should definitely try it.
I might look like a booth wearing a white. Please.
I'm just a girl in the world. Ding, 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 ding. बुक रिक्शा चिन्ह दीदी
57.
चल जाएगा ना. सुबह 51 था रैपिडो.
We should really stop Instagramming and start YouTubing.
Yeah.
Because अरे मला see I knew कि Instagram doesn't pay for views, but I got मतलब मेरे को अभी clearly समझ आया कि Instagram does not pay for views, neither followers.
And that's how the day ends with the last auto ride.
What the dog doing?
Well, subscribe, like, and let us know which part did you enjoy the most.
See you soon. Adios, amigos. It's a pretty good song. I should use it. And I used it. Give it.
Yeah, I can't film like this, bhai.
Then I thought कि this is very bad. This is very awkward. This is very bad. I'm not doing that. It is very bad.